Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. In today's video, I will have another mini unboxing from Louis Vuitton that I'm gonna share with you. And I also doing a tag video that is luxury this or that tag video, which is created by lovely Tarina, and her channel name is Luxury Handbag Lover. Let's do the unboxing first and then get to the tag video. Here is the lovely shopping bag I'm holding right here. It is very small item, but I love it because I think it is considered as a hard to get item. I've never seen it available on the website. It may be available, but you know, everyone wants to have it. So I hardly see it available. So I'm glad that I could get it at the store. If you already watched my shopping vlog in previous video, you probably already knew that I got something from the store. So this is not a true unboxing, but I just want to share it with you because it is a lovely piece and I'm just so excited to add it into my collection. Look at this small tiny box, but I love this because it has a ribbon. I know it's not a necessity, but it's just extra special, and you know, you just feel extra care when they just wrap the ribbon on it. As I often mentioned in previous videos, that I love boxes from Louis Vuitton because you can pull it out like this, like a drawer. And look at this tiny dust bag. Maybe you can already guess what I have right here. Here is the small dust bag with the Louis Vuitton on it. And here it is. Look at this. It is a card holder in monogram coated canvas. I decided to go with this one because of the fuchsia color. This is a darker shade of pink. I love it. I purchased this card holder because I love pink, and I also want to match with the 6 key holder that I have here. Look at the pink inside, the fuchsia color. Yes. And this one. They are just so cute. Let me share the price with you. It is $215 before tax. Before the price increased last time, which was in March, it was $205, and now it increased $10. Not much, but just for your preference. Here is a close look of the card holder. It has the big LV logo in the front and also in the back. It has one slot in the front and one slot in the back, one slot in the middle. Although this card holder has only 3 slip pockets, I'm sure it can hold more than 3 cards. And let's see where this card holder is made. Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Spain. It is coated fabric, cowhide leather lining. It is just so cute. I love it. And that is it for the unboxing. Now it's time to do the tag video. That is luxury this or that tag. And this tag was created by lovely Tarina. Her channel name is Luxury Handbag Lover. I was tagged by her, the creator, and also beautiful ladies, MM from Madame MM Style Icon, Zenny from Zenny MC Expat in Europe, and Riri from Riri's Look. I'm gonna have the links to the channel down the description below. You can go to the channel and check out their videos and handbag collections. They do have a beautiful handbag collections. And this is how to do the tag. Tarina created questions about luxury items from 3 different houses, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Hermes. So I'm gonna answer the questions with the picks that based on my preference. So let's do it. First is Louis Vuitton. The first question is key clay or 6-ring key holder. And I have both here that I can show you. This is a 6 key holder and this is a key clay. I have both. It is hard for me to choose which one I prefer because I like both. But if I have to pick one, then I go with the key clay because I think this is very functional. It can use for different purposes. You can store keys in here, even credit card, driver license, or even coins or hair tie. Also, I can even use it as a bag charm and it is super cute on bags. The next one is damier bin or damier azur. I have both, so I love them equally because of the damier, which is checkerboard. I love the checkerboard prints. If I have to choose one, then I pick the damier ebin. The ebin is the brown shade. I think it's more clean. And usually the damier ebin comes with the pop-up color interior. So I would go with the damier ebin. Next question is mini pochette or pochette accessoire. I also have both items here that I want to share with you. This is the mini pochette and this is pochette accessoire. I love them so much. I currently use this pochette accessoire with the chain because it is more convenient for me now to use it as a crossbody bag. It is very functional because you can use it as a catch-all or you can use it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag, which I think is more practical for me during this pandemic. And with the mini pochette, I have it in my bag all the time. I love using it as a catch-all. So over these two, I would pick the mini pochette because I get more use out of it. Next question is Alma or Speedy. So with these questions, I don't have either one, but I would go with the Alma over the Speedy. I have the Trevi PM, which is similar to the shape of the Alma, and I love it. I know that Speedy is in everyone's handbag collections except me. I just don't like the sagging look of the bag. It doesn't hold its shape. I like more the structured bag, so the Speedy is not. It is just not my preference. Next question is Neverfull or On The Go. I have the Neverfull here, which I love so much. This is inside MM and I think it is perfect. It is very lightweight. So I love it. Although I love this Neverfull, I love the structure of the On The Go. So I would pick the On The Go. Next question is Petit Mall or Boy Chapeau. I love them both because they are so classic. But if I have to choose one, then I would pick the Boy Chapeau. I love the shape of this bag. That's why I got this Boy Chapeau in size MM. I love the petite Boy Chapeau, but because it doesn't fit my phone, so I decided to go with this MM because it's more practical for me. I definitely picked the Boy Chapeau over the Petite Mall. The last question from Louis Vuitton is Nano Speedy or Nano Noe. I have none of them, but if I have to pick one, I would pick the Nano Speedy. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not a fan of Speedy, but the Nano Speedy is just so cute. I would pick it over the Nano Noe. Now let's go with Chanel. The first question is caviar or lambskin. Lambskin is very luxurious type leather, but caviar is much more durable, so I would pick caviar. Next one is chiffon or quilting. Of course, it has to be quilting. I love quilting. It is very Chanel, very classic. I love the quilting, so I would pick the quilting. Next one is espadrille or slingbacks. It is hard to pick because they are both so lovely. One is casual and stylish, and one is very classic and elegant. But for my petite side, I would pick slingbacks over the espadrille. Next one is 20cc or coco handle. I love coco handle, which is right here. I love the coco handle because it has similar look to the classic flat bag, but it comes with the handle and also the detachable strap, so it is very functional. I would pick the coco handle over the 20cc. Next one is Chanel 19 or Duoville. I love tote bag. Although I've gravitated toward mini bags nowadays, but I still need tote bag in my collections. So I definitely pick Duoville over Chanel 19. Next question is Boy or Gabrielle. I know that many people would pick the Boy, but I do prefer Gabrielle. I think Gabrielle bag is very understated, and also I prefer the zip closure over the flap opening of the Boy bag. The last one from Chanel is classic flap or reissue. I know everyone would pick the Chanel flap bag, but I do prefer the reissue. I would pick the reissue over the double flap bag. I think it is so classic. I love the look of it, especially the chain. I love it. Now let's go to the last one, Hermes. The first one is click clack or click edge. Let me share with you my first piece from Hermes. This is the click clack. It is thicker than the click edge. At that time, I chose the black with the rose gold, and I still love it so much. It's been years. I love it, and if I have to pick click clack or click edge, I would go with the click edge. At the time I purchased this, I just wanted to wear this alone, but if I purchase the click edge, I can stack more to it and it would look better. If I buy the next one, I would buy the click edge. So I would pick the click edge over the click clack. Next question is orange sandals or Osis sandals. I love Osis sandals. I know that many people love orange sandal, but for me, because I'm petite, so Osis sandal would fit me better because it has a heel, so it helps support my height a little bit more. Etude or gold? Definitely gold. Let me share with you this bag right here. This is my first bag from Hermes. It is in gold, and because it is gold, it has the contrast stitching in white, which I love so much. So I would pick the gold over the etude. Next question is Togo or Epsom. I would pick the Togo. This is the Togo leather. I'm not sure if you can see. Although I love Epsom because it is very structured, but it is more formal, I would pick the Togo over Epsom because you can get more use out of it and it is more comfortable to carry. Next question is Evelyn or Picotin. For these two bags, I would pick the Picotin over the Evelyn because it has the fun shape and it is more playful to wear. Last question from Hermes is Birkin or Kelly. It is very difficult to pick which one because I love them both. But if I have to pick one, then I would go with the Kelly. Because I think it is very simple but very classic. This bag comes with a handle and the detachable strap. So it is very functional. You can dress up and dress down with this bag. Love it. I would pick this Kelly over the Birkin. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and what I picked for the luxury this or that tag. If you find this tag fun and interesting, why not make one video like this? I love to see what pick you share in your video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you do like this type content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.